Alright, so this is as far as we got now. So if you're watching the video of the time lapse, I finally got the fuel tank to get down. And since this is getting replaced anyway, these things I just use these clippers here. I just cut the plastic. This first one here has some fuel on it. Luckily I had glasses on, it didn't splash in my eyes. It wasn't even near my eyes really, but just to be aware, because if you're changing the fuel pump anyway, why take time to make these come off correctly when I can take these off correctly afterward. Take this thing out because it was all hung up in there, hanging that cockeyed, so I figured that made more sense to do that. So I'm gonna get this connector off, then I'm gonna take either like a punch or just a screwdriver and a hammer and tap this around this counterclockwise, make it come off. Then I'm gonna install the new fuel pump.